Welcome and thank you for joining me for our Pilates posture workout today. It's a workout of 2 parts. We're going to mobilize and then using weights, please choose light to moderate weights. We're going to use weights to strengthen and engage our posture muscles. And then towards the end of the session, the weights go to one side and then we completely stretch out and release around the neck, the shoulders, the upper back. So nothing not to like there. I'd like you to take your feet underneath the hips, take the body weight forward and back, side to side, and come to a pause and loosen off around the shoulders. And then start to take deep breaths. Bring the elbows in by your side, and we just take the palms out and back, the elbows staying close. As you do that, draw the shoulder blades down, push through the crown of the head. Great work, really feeling that release into the shoulders. Two more to go. And the last one. From here, we're going to rotate from side to side. Arms are heavy. Let the head follow the arms. And then we come to a pause. With the weight equal through both feet, there's a softness through the knees. I engage through my center, tuck the chin in, and then roll down through the spine. Taking real deep breaths. And slowly restacking each vertebra one by one, coming all the way to an upright position, and then repeat, and we just keep going. So you're taking real deep breaths, lots of movement through your back. Continue with those lovely deep breaths. When you get to the top of the move, I'd like you to float the arms all the way up in the air and then push back. So you go as high up as your shoulders will comfortably accommodate, and then you push back as far as feels comfortable for you. 2 more to go. And the last one. Those arms come all the way down. And I'd like you to reach and back. Reach and back, keeping the weight equal through both feet. And go for 4, 3, 2 more to go. 2, and the 1. Please pick up your weights. So now elbows are in by your side. Drop the shoulders down. We take the weights out and lift. So we go out and lift. Each time you take those arms out, the elbows stay connected to the rib cage. You're drawing, which is easy for me to say, the shoulder blades down, the breath out on each push. And we keep going with that. Go for 4 and open. 3, 2, and the 1. Draw the shoulders up and push back. Draw the shoulders up and push back. 2 more times. Last one. So now I'd like you to turn. Take 1 foot behind you. Make sure that the front knee is roughly over the ankle. And you're going to lift the back heel and gently roll and push the heel down to the floor. So you're going to lift and gently lower. Lift and lower. Breath in, breath out as you drop through the heel. Breath in, breath out as you drop. 2 more. Last one. So now from here you're going to lean forward. So you get a lovely stretch through the calf. And then you're going to draw the elbow back. Now if that feels too intense, just bring that back foot in a little. So that's going to take you back out of the calf stretch. Yep. And I want you to feel that you're really engaging your upper back muscles. Breath out each time. You squeeze that shoulder blade back. Let's go for 4, 3, 2, and the last one. Come all the way out of that, change sides. So we take the foot back, encourage the heel into the floor, lean forward, retract the shoulders, and then we pull, actually we lift and lower. That's it. So let's get that calf stretch first. Again, keeping that body weight over that front thigh. And now we hold with that lean forward. And we pull, release. Pull, release. A breath out each time you pull back. Let's go for 4, 3, 2 more sets. And then our last one. Great work. Come all the way up, coming down to the floor, coming onto your back. And then from here, just one weight for this. You can use your neck and head support, feet hip width, tummy drawn in. Breath in as the weight goes over, breath out as you pull up. So breath in and breath out. And inhale, exhale. So we're going for 8 more. So we go for 8. 7. 6 to go. 4 more. 4. 3. 2. And the last one. And release. Take the arms out, feet together, and let the knees gently rock from side to side. Bring the feet back. So make sure the legs and the hips don't move. And you're going to just take the weight over to the side, then back to center. A breath in, breath out on the return. Keep the tummy drawn down. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, 4 to go. Two more. And last one. And release. That weight comes in. And then I'm going to slowly roll all the way over onto my side. And then you're going to need to take your towel or your cushion, and you're going to need to make a little bundle, because you're going to need to lift your head fairly high to keep the head in line with the rest of the spine. So I'm going to take that arm out, but then can you see now the head's in line with the whole of the rest of the back, and I take the knees forward and I open and close. Breathe in a way that feels natural for you. Keep the ankles and knees together. I want you to feel that you're really achieving that movement around the shoulder joint. Two more to go. And last one. And release. Great work. Let's change sides. So again, make sure that head's supported. And take the arm out and back. Real deep breaths all the way through this movement pattern. Two more to go. And last one. Release, coming all the way over onto all 4 points. And then from here, pushing back. Take the arms out and then hold. And breathe. Breath work. Up you come. So I take the hands over to the right. I walk the left hand further away and I push the left hips, the left buttock away. So I'm stretching all the way between hand and hip. And then we change sides. So we take the arms over and walk the left arm away, push the left hip away. And then we come all the way out of that. Hands and knees, push the middle of the back away and release. And again. One time more, I'm going to hold on this last one and then slowly come all the way up to standing. Feet underneath the hips, and then from here, we're going to draw the arm down across the midline of the body. And then we change. So we're going to draw the arm across the midline of the body. Release. Head to one side, feel that gentle stretch through the neck into the shoulder. Bring the head up and change. Loosen up around the shoulders. Take the hands away, soften the knees, push the middle of the back away. And release. I'd like to thank you so much for joining me for our Pilates posture workout. I really hope you enjoyed our session today.